Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. You say no, not yet. And I'm still on the super slab. You see, I'm still on the super slab, no doubt about it. You be safe out there, man, because I'll tell you what, doggone it, mercy me, doggone it, the streets and highways and the byways they ain't like they was 20, 25 years ago. You know what I'm talking about, when we was a young lad. And they kind of dangerous now, no doubt about that. Take care of my good friend. You truck them easy, you truck them safely out there in a rental car. $5, big driver, Galveston, I'm up. SwitchBlade, rent a car. SwitchBlade, rent a car. SwitchBlade, rent a car. Somebody else waved at me, doggone, I didn't get their 28, no doubt about that. Take care of SwitchBlade. Look here, SwitchBlade. Downtown, beautiful city, Tyler, Texas. Labor Day weekend, downtown, beautiful city, Tyler, Texas. Put it on your later. SwitchBlade, rent a car, $5, big driver, Galveston, I'm up. I just got through talking to him. I just got through talking to old Billy, no doubt about it. Billy got a birthday. Actually, Billy's birthday is real close to my daughter's birthday. Sure is. I think his is on the 4th. My daughter's on the 5th. Showing up. But I just got through talking to him here just a little bit earlier. Sure did. Take care, my good friend. SwitchBlade, take care. SwitchBlade, run a car. Take care. Put it on you later. Looking forward to seeing you again. SwitchBlade, $5, big driver, Galveston, I'm out.
Yeah, so I got your 766 on them all right now. 766 on them all right now. Hey, $5. SwitchBlade, we'll do it again if God permits. Take care, my real good friend. Hey, $5. SwitchBlade, rent a car. Bye.
It can't be done. It can't be rent a car work. She was all over here on this side of Galveston. Now I don't know what the other side of Galveston look like, but on this side, SwitchBlade, you all up in here. Take care, SwitchBlade, $5 radio. Me and this old big driver. Click!
It must be talking, man. As soon as I get up, must be talking, cat nigga. Man, I ain't lying. As soon as I get up, you get right back. You hear my radio? I'm gonna play you something back. I wanna show you something.
I had to look at that cabin. You know, there was a time, I was nothing but Mobile, ain't no doubt about that. During that time, I had to take a peep seat in that cat, big Mobile, ain't no doubt about that, that's for sure. Take that SwitchBlade and rent a car, put it on you later. $5 radio mean there's no big trouble. Click! And you're right about that. You're so right about that. Mother Nature position and conditions, ain't no doubt about that. That's for sure. And a little help, every now and then, we kind of help Mother Nature out. You know what I'm talking about? With them kind of big Dawson meters, you know what I'm talking about? Put it on your later, SwitchBlade, man. I ain't gonna hold you, man, no doubt about it, but you're sounding good right about it right there. Put it on your later, my good friend, SwitchBlade, rent a car, $5 radio, this side of Galveston, big drive. I'm out.
Well, you got a blanket on the Super Bowl, cat nigga. You got a damn blanket on the Super Bowl. Hey, $5 radio. I can't wait for. Hello, $5 radio this side of Galveston. $5 radio this side of Galveston. Mr. Stacy Adam, the west side of this cow pasture, rocking on the mail.
Hello, Mr. Adam, west side of the cow pasture. Blade, I heard most of that. Blade, I heard most of that, no doubt about it. The blanket thing, you know what I'm talking about. And you know how that goes. That gotta be show. If that's the particular case, now I must be doing something over there on the west side of doggone it, Mr. Adams area too. Take your blanket, you be safe out there. Hello, Mr. Adams, $5 radio scratching right back. Come on, come on.
Check right out. $5. I didn't mean to kill SwitchBlade. Well, I just want to say tip time to get afternoon to you, my friend. Your sign is so choice on my radio, no doubt about it. $5 radio, this side of your garrison. Mr. Adams, the west side of this house, I got down.
West side of that pastor, west side of the pastor. Make a note of it, Mr. Adams, make a note of it. Labor Day weekend, downtown, beautiful city, Tyler, Texas. Labor Day weekend, downtown, beautiful city, Tyler, Texas. Downtown Tyler, Texas. Hey, Mr. Adams, make a note of that. And if you get 1 or 2 keys in, let them boys know what's popping Labor Day weekend, downtown Tyler. Mr. Adams, west side of the Cow Palace, $5. Big driver, Galveston, I'm out.
Good copy, $5. We'll do it, no doubt about that. Y'all talk with old 006, man. I know he's gonna be trying to head that way. I may see can I piggyback going out there with him, no doubt about that. Hold on, you later, $5. Have yourself a good day, my brother. Welcome to the weekend coming up. $5 radio, Adams in the Pastor Squad. That $5, SwitchBlade Rent-A-Car. Bye-bye.
Yeah, take care, Mr. Adams. SwitchBlade, I didn't get that till Mr. Adams unkeyed. Ain't no doubt about that. Take care of Mr. Adams on the west side of the cow pasture. Take care of my good friend, doggone out there on the highways and byways in that can't pick a rental-car. But keep that. If you keep that posted, you know, you ain't got to say it every time you key up. But if you say it once or twice, Mr. Adams, somebody's gonna get it. Labor Day weekend, downtown Tyler, Texas. Mr. Adams, my good friend in the rental-car, $5, big driver, Galveston, I'm up.
About it, dear.
And Mr. Adams, you know, you had 1,000, 1,500 heard just what you said. Now, what if you did that at least 1 or 2 more times? That's 3,000, 3,500. Take care. I appreciate it. Mr. Adams, downtown Tyler, Texas, Labor Day weekend. Mr. Adams, I'm up.
Sure, right. All right, Flydo, let me get out of here, man. Make my little dress off and go outside and do some target practice and with the pellet gun. I'll see you.
Hey, you know, I thought somebody else was keying up when he said hello. I thought somebody else was keying. Take care, Mr. Adams. You and your grand 44, $5. Galveston, I'm out. Me and you, 766, 747, and a rental-car. Hey, crybaby, I heard you, you know what I'm talking about, until things change. Take care of my good friend in the rental-car, crybaby, you loaded in my radio, $5. Radio, big Galveston, big driver in Galveston. I'm on this side of Galveston. Don't y'all get it twisted. That's your little brother. Hey, make a note of it. Blade, make a note of it. I'm gonna post this here. In about 10, 15 minutes. I ain't gonna let it run long. But I started it so you could hear yourself. I really did. So OTT $5 radio. YouTube that. OTT $5 radio, and you'll see, you know, what you've been sounding like. Rent a car. I'm out.
Terra, OTT.
I'm gonna shut it down right there. Hey, SwitchBlade, I'm gonna shut it down right there. SwitchBlade, rent a car. I'm gonna shut it down right there. SwitchBlade, I'm 10741.
Take care, $5. The rent a car, super sale. Bye-bye.
410. Somebody's trying to tell me something. Blade, but I didn't hear until you unkey. I'm 10-7. I'm 41. I'm finna post this thing. I'm up.